Happy Trainer Tuesday. Allison Walsh here. I'm here to teach you how to use your protein swabs if you plan on doing the chicken demo. Okay? Chicken, 2 plates, 2 swabs, those are the things you'll need. So I make sure my chicken, this happens to be a big piece, it's nice and juicy. So usually I have about a tablespoon or a teaspoon of water in there and I smush it all around. And you want your chicken to be room temperature. If it's cold, it will not work. Okay, so I'm gonna just show you. I always take my chicken, okay, rub it on the plate. Oh, my chicken's stuck, there we go. Swab it, okay. So you are using Health Industry grade swabs. It's not a Norwex thing. We buy these from Weber Scientific. It is a health food grade store. They sell testing instruments to check cleanliness on surfaces. So if it turns purple, it means protein is present. If it turns green, it means that your surface is clean. So we test for protein, chicken, because we don't have bacteria. Bacteria takes time to grow, and protein's smaller in size than a virus and is smaller in size than bacteria. So if your cloth is going to clean up something so small, you know it's cleaning up everything else. That's what I explain it before I swab. So purple is protein, green is clean, and you want to make sure your swabs are room temperature as well. Okay, you add the liquid. Okay, so you just crack the top, just like you saw me do. Crack, crack. It lets down the liquid, so you squeeze it till the liquid's in the bottom. Then you're gonna wanna shake a little bit. You don't need to go crazy. Shake it a little bit, and then you can show them the color scale. Purple, obviously protein's present. So then I take my cloth and I do a tag side up, just so I'm showing them that I'm not doing any magical tricks here. So I do it tag side up. So you just fold and fold. Okay, tag side, so you take it, you're gonna clean like this, right? Just wipe your plate off. Make sure you're using your cloth flat. And then I always just put the tag side goop over on the second plate. You take a new swab. You're gonna check for cleanliness again. Okay. Then remember, you put it in. You're gonna do the click, 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 squeeze, shake, and then color result, okay? Green, love it. I do go one step further, okay? So I then take this plate and put it off to the side. I show them with my second plate the goop cloth. So I'm gonna show them that this is not going to transfer. You cannot use the words cross-contaminate, kill. You wanna use the word transfer. You don't wanna use disinfect. You just wanna say it's cleaning by picking up bacteria. So it's picking up the bacteria and then it's holding it inside of the cloth because it's like a magnet. So I'm gonna take the cloth. I'm just gonna show them that it's not gonna transfer, so I'm gonna rub my goop cloth everywhere, okay? So I'm gonna take my green swab and I'm gonna check for cleanliness. If it turns gray or purple, it means it detected protein, but if it stays green, it means that the surface is clean. Okay? Stick it in, shake it, and then this is the part you always wanna do. So you always wanna say, okay, this is for the skeptics out there. My swab is going to touch protein and you can see what's gonna happen. So I always just take my swab and just touch it back onto the protein. And sometimes you can see it like right away, like on the swab. Stick it in, give it a little bit of a shake, okay? And you can see purple is protein. And then I just go the extra mile because that's how I am at parties. And I always just take my 2 plates and I like give them a really good lick. This does not have to be if you don't wanna do it. And then I always take my goop chicken cloth, right? And I just like clean my face off. But that is just me. Like I said, I've been doing this for 2.5 years and I know it works every time. And that's kind of how you use the swabs and you do the chicken demo, and it's a really nice, fun, easy demo, and people kind of get it because you're mechanically cleaning for them and you're not chemical cleaning. So that's what I kind of explain when this is over. I explain the difference between chemical cleaning and mechanical cleaning. And this is what we're doing here with Norwex. Okay. If you guys have any questions, ask below.